Hello everyone and welcome to our another tutorial which is about how to hide LinkedIn status. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Marie Olivier Ltd, and I help people to find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So let's take a look on how to hide your LinkedIn status. When it comes to the LinkedIn, it's really important to show up on daily basis. It's really important to communicate with other people, but that doesn't mean that everybody wants to show their activity status, that they are actually active. So let's go, for example, on my feed and let's see if somebody from the network out here has their status shown up. This guy is not showing. Maybe Andrea is also not showing, but it's usually when you go to a profile of a person, you can see here a shining green button if the person is actually active or not. So I'm not sure if I will find somebody with this right now because it's quite after the business hours, but you know what I mean. So usually you have here a button which is showing if you are active or not on the social media, on the LinkedIn, and we will now take a look on how to hide it. So this also might be really good for protecting your privacy on LinkedIn and also avoiding unwanted attention from your connections. So you go to your profile here, you click on the me button, and from your profile here you then click on visibility and find the message active status. So I will go to the settings and the visibility, and also here I will then find the manage active status. I saw it somewhere here. So, and when we are here, you can see who can actually see your active status. So you can pretty easily change it. You can also see that all of the settings may take up to 30 minutes to take effect. So, yes, you can either put it as no one, your connections only, or all LinkedIn members. And then when you go back to your profile, these changes will then take place. So this was just a quick tutorial on how to hide your LinkedIn status. If you got inspired, if you really liked it, go to the LinkedIn and go to Marie Zamesnikova, hit the follow button, because I'm posting tips and tricks on daily basis and also daily articles on my website marieolivier.com. And if you go to the articles section here, you will find not only written text but also these beautiful videos about trending, branding, and also LinkedIn. So I will catch you next time in the next tutorial. Bye.